We're at the MLA Expo 2025. I'm just going to take you through the advanced window mechanism kit. First, start with the Scotia guard. Put that in the middle. Take your spreader. Pull your Scotia guard back, insert the spreader. Bring it up a couple of mil. Spread the window. And take your long reach mushroom tool. Insert that, keep spreading, run it along, angle it as you get to the end to get round a Shootbolt. And when you're on it, stop spreading, relax the frame, and then we've got access. Now for the top window, I'm going to use a different tool. So same principle, Scotia guard, pull it back, insert the spreader. Bring it up a couple of mil, spread. Insert your mushroom striker, bring it along, and when you feel it, you can take your spreader off, release the tension, get your mallet,